Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bitcoin TRC20 token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Bitcoin TRC20 BTCT is a tokenized version of Bitcoin that operates on the Tron blockchain, combining Bitcoin's value with the speed and programmability of a smart contract network. A bridge between derivative. It is a TRC20 token that is 100% backed by actual BTC held in reserve with address published for public audit, built on Tron for efficiency. It leverages the Tron network to enable faster transactions and lower fees compared to the native Bitcoin blockchain, enabling smart contract functionality. Its existence on Tron allows it is to be used within decentralized finance applications, automated smart contracts, and the broader Tron ecosystem. Bitcoin TRC20 project institution rating is 3.3. Bitcoin TRC20 token total supply is around 17,000 and circulating supply is also 17,000 BTCT token. BTCT token is listed on SunSwap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.